Do you know your STD and HIV status? 1 in every 5 people in the U.S. have an STD, and most show no symptoms. The Alabama Department of Public Health is offering free at-home tests for chlamydia, gonorrhea, HIV, and syphilis to Alabama residents and students attending a college or university in Alabama. ADPH has teamed up with Binks Health to mail test kits right to your door. Just follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Go to adph.mybinkshealth.com and choose the best test kit for you. Step 2. Receive your box. Activate the kit at mybinkshealth.com/activate. Collect your sample and return the box in the free mailing envelope. Step 3. After your sample has been processed, a licensed clinician will call to review your test results and treatment options if needed. Remember, the test kit is free, confidential, and convenient. If you receive a positive test result and do not have a medical provider, the Alabama Department of Public Health can assist in providing treatment. Simply call 334-206-5350.